Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. After a long time, finally we can upload a video again. This time we present a tutorial on how to draw one of the Sanrio characters. Alright, let's get started on sketching Chococat with a pencil. After completing the sketch, start thickening the image with a thin black marker. Start from Chococat's head, body, and the eyes. Then, continue by coloring the picture. In this section, I will speed up the coloring process. You can coloring Chococat's body with black color. Lastly, don't forget to add the Chococat's whiskers. And the picture of the cat Chococat has been completed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.